All right, so we've been doing a lot of this recently. Obviously, a lot of guys, if you watch us, we do a ton of new engines. That's kind of what we're known for as a manufacturer of, personalized, customized crate engines. But from time to time, we'll go through phases where we get a lot of different stuff through here. Especially right now, guys got a boatload of good parts. This one, aluminum block LS. It's got a mast head on it and such. I think this was the smoking deal from eBay. Customer bought it. And he gets it, and it's a very, very high-end car that it's going in. Local shops doing it. We have a great relationship with them. They wanted us to dig into it because they had no oil pressure. So dig right in. Basically, LS7. This was a dry sump motor, so it probably came out of a Corvette. What they didn't realize, whoever put this motor together, put a wet sump pan on it, and it didn't block off the dry sump oil galleys and such, so there was no oil pressure, number one. As we get digging into it, I believe that the thrust was wore out for some reason or another, and then we put it all back together, and the injectors, this thing is sat, I don't know how many years, maybe 4 or 5 years as the project progressed, and we get it on the dyno. Once again, really emphasizing why we test everything. Fire it up, it's kind of running bad. It's on a known good tune-up from previous mapping. So it starts to kind of get better for no rhyme or reason. And check injectors. Injectors aren't flowing properly. So stick a new set of injectors from Injector Clinic in there, throttle down. Now we've got a good piece. So again, I know we've been doing more of this. It's never to bring anybody down or anything, just really to educate the consumer that when you think you're getting a smoking deal, not always are you. And, that we are a company that can get to the bottom and have solutions for issues you might be having. I'm not really typically big into the rebuilds and stuff, but again, if you got a good piece, and you're having issues, don't hesitate to give us a call and see if we can help you out.
Vinny, here's our LS, just got done with it. As you know, you kind of have some oil pressure issues and stuff like that, so we went through everything's good. I had some fuel injector issues here on the dyno, fixed that for you. So everything's good. You kind of know the combination, it was your motor. So here, I'll take you in there and show you how it runs. Alrighty, 3,600, 466 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 541, peaks horsepower 618. So everything's good. We'll get her off here, get in her crate, come to you. Have a great day.